What's up everybody, Trickster here, and today we're going to mod the NZXT Phantom Full Tower to have better airflow. So when I first got this case, I was in love with its design, the modern angles on it, the way it was shaped, but the only thing that really brought me down on it was the fact that it only had one intake fan on the front, two right on the side by the hard drives. It had three 200mm fans on it, two on the top, one on the side blowing directly onto the motherboard, and the exhaust of a 120 or 140. Now, having that crossflow kind of really felt like it disturbed the airflow of the case. So what I wanted to do was take out the hard drive cages and the 5 1/4 inch bays to open up the airflow from the front of the case. At the same time, I wanted to put more fans up there. So I decided to make a panel that held three 120mm fans. Just a PSA, always use PPE when you're using power tools. What I have here is the front panel for the NZXT Phantom Full Tower case. This is the modified front panel. I've cut out the 5 1/2 bays up here, cut out the rest of it going down here, and cutting out the mount for the fan that was here. And I have custom cut a new panel to go into there that'll be a 360 3x120mm fans, and what I'm gonna do is paint it to make it match. Now, since we're putting three fans on the front of this, it used to be just this bottom portion was where the fan was coming in from as far as the intake. But with this door, all this can breathe. So what we're going to do is take this door off the back of it and we'll see what we can do. So there it is. New panels on, fans are installed. The next step is going to be installing a system in this. What's going to be in here is a photo editing rig for my wife. It's going to be an air-cooled build, so this was definitely a worthwhile step. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Consider subscribing to see more content in the future. My Facebook and Twitter are linked in the description below. Follow both to find out when new videos are uploaded. Also, come hang out with me on Twitch and Discord when I go live, also linked below. And as always, I will see you in the next one.